Miss Tika Creations, Malia Toatepi Tonga'uiha proudly hails from Punga Mohefa, Mapuavaya, Esi Kolopa Ukamea, Ovaka Vava'u, Me Otu Kinekina, Esi Omaapu, Pelemea Ha'apai. She is driven by her love for travel and service. Toatepi is currently pursuing her studies at the New Zealand Travel and Tourism School. She has a goal of one day becoming a flight attendant. Beyond her career aspirations, she is deeply committed to raising awareness and advocating for action on climate change, understanding its urgent threat to Tonga and the Pacific. In her free time, Toatepi enjoys cooking and cherishes quiet moments with her family. She especially values listening to stories passed down through generations as a way to learn more about Tongan history, culture, and identity. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 7, Miss Tika Creations, Malia Toatepi Tonga'uiha.